Hi guys, we're in Beijing and oh my god, I just checked into my room and I booked my hotel room from trip.com. I took a red-eye flight, so I reached at around like 5-6 a.m. and right now it's 7. The usual check-in time is about 2 p.m. but the recept was really nice to let me check in earlier, and it is so beautiful here. This onsen area, so beautiful.
I woke up 4 hours later. I have to wash my face because I accidentally squirted some sauce on my face because I ate an egg.
Today is our first day in Beijing. I love it already. It's such a good weather. I thought it would be like super duper cold. Oh my god, I think my cat is here. Hello? 我在前门，是这个吗？好，好，拜拜。Hello。对。Degrees. Let me see the weather. I mean, it's 11 already. Yeah, just now it was like negative, so low-key unbearable. But now I'm just gonna go city walk and gonna go grab coffee first. It's getting a little bit awkward speaking to the camera right now. But yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, if all is good, maybe I'll drop by Universal Studios. I don't know, maybe. I spam Vaseline because my lips cracking so bad. It's juicy. It's the Laneige sleeping mask. This place looks like Gyeongbokgung Palace in Korea. Look at this, so pretty. Oh my god. Yeah, very interesting stuff. I want to try this. This is a matcha dirty. Had a little call, and then because I was filming a lot and I know I look very Chinese, I mean I'm Chinese, and like the uncle beside me was just wondering like, what is this girl's deal? Like her accent is so off and I don't even know what am I up to. I'm just like taking videos and shit not. Oh, this looks so cute. I go to this 69 jjajangmyeon store. Okay, I'm gonna order right now. So now I'm gonna go walk around I am at Yonghe Gong, so very fun, very fun. It's just like getting really cold and I need to pee right now. This trip has single-handedly reignited my love for solo traveling, and I may or may not have spent a few $1,000s on Songmont bags and to summer, but these are exclusive to Shanghai and Beijing, and I think bigger cities, so no regrets on that. I just love the spring in Beijing, and just soaking in this bustling city just made me realize how lucky I am to have this flexible job and schedule. Good morning! Today we're here. It opens at 11, so it's gonna take a while. Anyway, since we're waiting, might as well take you guys around. So this is like Taikuli, and this area is freaking beautiful, man. I don't know about you guys, but I live in Singapore and we don't have this kind of springy vibes before, and it's so freaking beautiful. Oh, there's the to summer here also. This is my usual. Oh my god, my makeup is kind of makeuping Oh my god. Oh my god, I look kind of crazy with two devices, but oh my god, love it. Oh, that's good.
我就告诉你，他要展示出来那些灰度是想要解决这个关系，对吗？
Non-stop.
你的隐私公司是不是你公司的？假的，你自己都不想办法解决，我把这版本报给你。
I was honestly expecting more. This is black pepper, basil, and cheese.
对吧？然后
My uncle behind
是不是？
whole cheese drop.
对啊，就是他们。
Honestly, not phased at all. Like, I mean, oh, I really like not into this. I'm disappointed. I know everyone's talking about this like.
Shit. Wow, this is all so cute. going to Brandy Melville now. We're at Sanlitun. I've been just spending my nights around this area because it's really near my hotel. And also, I've been quite tired. I'm at Nan Sanlitun. And then going straight to Brandy Melville after my hot pot. Oh my god, hot pot was so good. But now my entire tummy is so hot. And then I also drank the yogurt. Oh my god, everything's just churning right now. It's like blinking building right here. I don't know if y'all can see. Ta-da! Do y'all see? I think it's some iconic thing, but I don't know. Hello everyone! I'm gonna do my haul in Beijing and there are like way too many things. Let me go grab everything. So many things! Oh my god! Songmont. Okay, so I have some of the Songmont. This would be worn by a girl that you saw on the street, or a girl that just was like sitting right next to you at the MRT. You didn't look up at her, but you could smell her. And then right when you want to look at her, she went out of the door. This one, it's like the one that got away kind of vibe. And it smells a little bit familiar as well because of the sweetness. And oh my god. Holy shit. I'm at a Rooftop Cafe right now. It's super pretty. Got an iced latte. It makes me realize that I can create any destiny that I want and just be in any country that I truly resonate with, and that may or may not have triggered a little bit of moving abroad kind of mindset, but we shall see. I'm planting the seed here, manifesting it. Oh, what a nice weather to be in. My last dinner here in Beijing. I'm gonna get a little drinky. It's clearly a vibe. Okay, so I'm actually really quite pissed because just now I went to Brandy Melville. They have zero service quality there. All the other places in China, top-notch quality. But in the end, guess what? I still bought a lot of Brandy Melville stuff because I really like their pieces, but the customer service, not good. Okay, anyway, I'm at this like French place. I dropped by yesterday. Was popping off yesterday. And then I got the Thai style galette, which is very off because usually galette I'll just get the bacon, cheese, whatever. I'm chilling at this place. It's called Xiajiu. It says stay foolish, don't stay hungry. Just right beside the French restaurant, and I'm gonna eat some chuan chuan. There's outdoors and indoors. I chose the outdoors because it looks so pretty, and I'm not too cold today, so it's goody. I want to eat some chuan chuan, and their cocktails are really nice, like as in really interesting. I saw they have some 大红袍 mango foam beer or alcohol, and then they have the glutinous rice magoli, but it's hot.
I'm trying this like yellow plum or yellow fig cocktail, but I honestly don't know what it is. I just randomly clicked onto one. Okay. It's so cute, look at this. It says to every foxy day. I wanted to try the peach oolong, but that's so common, so basic. So we're gonna try this. I don't know what. 每日黄皮佛手柑. Ooh. Oh my god. This tastes so good. Oh my god. I'll probably stay around here for a bit longer. Because this is...
I am actually enjoying every single bit of this editing process, and it's just so nice to watch back on the travel vlogs and my expressions. I know I've been a little bit unhinged with the reviews on my expression on my face, but I hope you guys enjoy this realness.